carnival celebrations were held in Kandolim, organized by the Kandolim Village Panchayat under the leadership of Sarpanch Blaise Fernandez. The event drew enthusiastic crowds and featured colorful performance, music, and active participation from local youth. Tourism Minister Rohan Kaute and Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo were present for the celebration. Addressing the gathering, Michael Lobo praised the Panchayat for taking the initiative and said the event was providing an important platform to promote local youth and showcase their talent. He added that the carnival would be organized on a much bigger scale from next year. Tourism Minister Rohan Kaute also appreciated the efforts of Panchayat and commended the spirit of the celebration.
Viva Carnival! I think it's a great time for all of us to celebrate in Goa. This 4 days, it's a culture, it's a tradition, and we all Goikars celebrate it. The world sees it. Festa di Carnival, we have with me my good friend, the MLA of Kalangut, Mr. Michael Lobo, the dynamic Sarpanch of Kandolim Panchayat, Mr. Blaise, our King Momo, all the other dignitaries on the stage, on the days of the days. Our friends come from international destinations and from different parts of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, I think Michael has already spoken about it. Today is not a place for speeches, but one thing is very important, that as a part of our culture, Carnival deeply rooted in the roots of Goikars. We love to sing, we love to clap, we love to dance, we have music in our ears, and that's something we have been doing all our way. As we work sincerely, we also celebrate. And this is exact Goikar point that we need to enliven and put it together. The whole idea of Blaise and Michael coming with the idea of coming to Kandolim and enliven it with a festival here, Festa di Carnival, I think is a new innovative thought other than the parades that have been happening in the major towns. The coastal belt talks about international tourists, the coast talks about domestic tourists, and Kalangut constituency definitely has maximum of this starting from Kandolim. Today is an opportunity for the tourists to come and explore what Goa is, what the culture is, what the heritage is, what the tradition is, not to miss out the culinary. I can see a lot of food stalls. Michael was talking about all the locals being putting up the stalls that gives exactly the Goikaranche John, the Goan culinary to be tasted by all the people all around the world who have come here. I wish Blaise and Michael all the very best, congratulate them for having done this wonderful festival. We are here to support them. Along with the Chief Minister, we have always seen that whatever Michael has asked for is being done, so in the betterment of the constituency and betterment of the village. Blaise came up with this idea. I can only say that next year definitely it can be bigger, it can be better, and Goa Tourism will look forward to supporting this type of festivals to ensure that the right festival goes from the right place to the right people. Viva Carnival!
Kandolim. It's a all-inclusive festival. So these types of festival promote our culture, and to take it to the next level, Village Panchayat of Kandolim under the leadership of Blaise and his entire team has come together. कांदोलीचे सगळे लोक वांगडा येयल्ले आहा. थिंगासर फॉरेनर, इंडियन टुरिस्ट सगळे भाग घेता. This is just the beginning. So next year they will do a bigger show. At least 20-25 floats will come right from Kandolim till the venue over here. We will invite tourism delegates, officials, the minister, and also the young youth of Kandolim are getting a platform. You can see the youngsters, they are all in their stalls. Whatever they can do the best in their house, they cook it, half done over there, the remaining is done over here, and they are selling their products directly to the locals, Indians as well as foreigners. So this is nothing but promoting our youngsters, giving them a platform, and I'm very happy that if a lot of villages in the coastal belt make this type of programs, the economy gets revived and more tourists comes over there. So this is one of its kind, a small carnival festival celebrated in Kandolim village. And the credit goes to Village Panchayat Kandolim and their entire team. Viva Carnival!
Hi, Blaze Fernandez, the Sarpanch of Kandolim. This is Festa the Carnival. First time we are organizing it at the park in Kandolim, and it's a real great success. And all my thanks goes to Michael Lobo, my friend, our beloved MLA of Kalangut constituency, who supported me with this, and he said that we should do a bigger one next year, and I promised him that we'll do a big one and a grand success will be there. Thank you. We have to keep the tradition on, and the carnival is one of our favorite events, and we got to get tourism into Goa, and this is one of the way we can try to get in tourism.
So you can tell us about the stalls, like how
All the stalls are locals. Our locals are given. We are giving them a chance to bring their products, and not only the food stalls, even the accessories. Like they have a lot of gift items. So we are promoting our locals to this event.
yeah. So you're coming for the first time in Goa?
I've been coming to Goa for 26 years.
Okay.
Carnival, excellent.
You're coming from which country?
England,
England. So you come from
Manchester,
Okay, that's nice.
Manchester
Can you tell us-
United.
Yeah, you can tell us what is the speciality you like about Goa and this festival?
The people, all the people. Everything's good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, would you like to add something? How did you like the?
Amazing, spectacular, never seen anything like it.
You are coming for the first time, or you're coming?
No, saying
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you.
विलेज पंचायत कांदोलीम आयज आमी फेस्ता दे कांदोलीम हो सेलिब्रेट करता. एक्चुअली कार्निवाल म्हणजे हे ट्रेडिशनल आमचे खूब आदी आमचे पुर्वजांनी जे घडोवन हाडलेले आनी ते आजुनूय कॅरी फॉवर्ड आहा. आनी आयज तुमी पळयता जायतो बरो रिस्पॉन्स आमी हे कानवेन करता फर्स्ट टायम, बट बरो रिस्पॉन्स आहा आनी खरेंच हो कार्निवाल कहो दिसता आयज जो. आनी आमच्या सरपंचान खूब हें गेला भार गेला हो करपाक, आनी तेजेच हे आहलें कितें तरी कानोयेन करपाचें. सो हो चान्स गेलो पयलो फेस्ता ते कार्निवाल करपाक. आनी आमी सगळीं वॉर्ड मेंबर तेज्या बराबर आहा, आनी हांव ताका स्पेशल थँक्यू म्हणटा. हो एक आमच्या कानोयेन बरो हें घडोवन हाडलो कार्निवालाचो. आनी सगळ्यांक विवा कार्निवाल.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.